What's up, online shoppers? I have my favorite bottle of HOLIKA HOLIKA Black Snail Repair Emulsion, and I want to tell you all about it. Now, I know when I first read about using snail mucus on your face, I was a little bit grossed out, but you have to understand that this has been formulated by a cosmetics company with science behind it, and this is not only awesome for your skin, it's clean to put on your skin too. This is a really awesome brand of skincare. After doing my research, I learned that this Snail Emulsion is actually a natural healer and very good for protecting your skin barrier. I love that it has all kinds of powerhouse ingredients in it that help your skin to make collagen, and we know collagen is definitely what helps our skin to stay younger longer. It also helps our skin to stay elastic, so Snail Emulsion is giving your skin the ingredients that it needs to help stay looking younger longer. While there are a lot of really awesome elements in Snail Emulsion, one of the great things about Snail Emulsion is that it also contains hyaluronic acid, which we know is a really great moisturizer for your skin. Estheticians often recommend Snail Emulsion for brightening, for wrinkle improvement, and this one here contains 45% Black Snail Slime Filtrate, which again sounds gross, but it works. I love that it comes in a pump because the pump helps to keep all the ingredients in here away from oxygen. You do not want your skincare to be exposed to oxygen because it can actually make it go bad faster. So when you are looking for skincare, if you find a product that has a pump on it, that's already a bonus for me. I love the consistency of this. Believe it or not, a little pump like that is just about all you need for your face, and it rubs in really nice on your skin. It doesn't leave any sticky feeling or anything that's overly greasy. It just rubs in really nicely, and it has a really nice natural scent to it. They don't put any perfumes in this, which we definitely don't want, but because a lot of the ingredients in here are floral based, ginseng, pomegranate, and other botanical extracts, it has a really wonderful smell, and I enjoy putting it on my skin because the smell is so pleasant. One of the biggest benefits to Snail Emulsion is that it helps to create a barrier between the outside environmental elements and the moisture and the nutrients that you want to keep in your skin. I definitely have noticed an improvement in my skin since starting to use this, and it is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.